Hey YouTube! So we're back and I've got some new toys that Wes really enjoys. First up is a game called Rush Hour Traffic Jam Logic Game Junior. So these are all the pieces. There's a variety of different types of vehicles.
We got two bus. Yep, two bus. We got two bus.
Remy, let Wesley do it.
Bus.
On the floor, Wes, you dropped it.
Bus. We got two bus.
So the way the game works is that you have an ice cream truck. See, ice cream truck. And you set the ice cream truck up and the variety of cars on the gray board according to whichever problem it is that you want to solve.
Here, purple car. Purple car.
To here. But so once you get this set up, your next step is that you move things around.
Ice cream truck. And he goes here. This will be easy peasy.
Yay!
That was easy.
Don't get cocky. Remy, no.
So here's what I love about this game. This game teaches kids problem-solving skills and critical thinking, right? So this is actually, I feel like that's actually a very difficult thing to teach is problem-solving skills. But this does it, and the kids love it.
Ta-da! Ta-da! We did it!
So of course, you can make things a little bit harder by going up to the super hard. Just so you know, the solutions are on the back, so you can see. And of course, if you want to make it extra hard, you could add a little brother to the mix.
Oh my goodness! Stop, Remy! What's there? It goes there. Hold on. Stop.
But yeah, we love this. Wes loves it. He's flying through the cards. I've recommended it to other people. They enjoy it. It's even fun as an adult to take a look. Yeah. Thanks for watching.
And they'll continue singing it forever just because it's a song that doesn't end. Yes, it goes on and on, my friends. Some people started singing it not knowing what it was, and they'll continue singing it